What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this GMC remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, just above this key ring on this back cover, you'll notice there's a slot in here. And what we're going to do is put our flathead screwdriver in that slot and pry up. But rather than putting it right in the middle like this, what we're going to do is get as far over to the edge as we can and pry up that corner, and then go over to the other edge, do the same thing. In that slot, get as far over as you can and pry up. And what we're trying to prevent by doing that, rather than just prying up in the middle, is to prevent these corners from breaking. As these remotes get a little bit older and the plastic gets more brittle, sometimes you will see that they can break there. But in any case, once you have that back cover popped up, go ahead and pull it all the way off. And now we see our battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver just to help get under the edge of it and get that battery up and out. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And you kind of want to tuck this corner in first, like that, and then pop it into place. Grab the cover, and we want to hook the top on first, like that, and then snap it the rest of the way on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.